Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling developer options and USB debugging on your Android device so Chrome can communicate. Connect the phone to your computer with USB or set up ADB over Wi-Fi. This prevents cable friction. On desktop Chrome, open Chrome, //inspect and look for your device and the Target tab or Web View. Once seen, click Inspect to open DevTools. This step sets the bridge between mobile and desktop tools so you can inspect elements, capture console output, and profile performance. Now you use the DevTools panels to debug. Open elements to edit DOM and CSS live so you can test fixes instantly. Check console for errors and evaluate expressions. Switch to network to replay and inspect requests and responses, then use performance and memory to profile CPU usage, layout shifts, and leaks. Make sure to toggle the device toolbar to emulate touch, set throttling for realistic speeds, and rotate orientation to reproduce bugs. These steps let you iterate quickly and understand root causes. To finish, apply code or CSS fixes and test them directly on the real device using the Inspected tab. Repeat profiling to confirm behavior improved. If results are inconsistent, clear caches, disable interfering desktop extensions, and reboot the phone and browser to remove transient states. If the USB connection drops, switch to ADB over Wi-Fi for stability. A key troubleshooting tip: if Chrome //inspect shows no targets, confirm USB debugging authorization on the device, and that ADB recognizes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.